Hey everyone, how's it going? So now we're submitting replies successfully. What we're going to do though is just refresh the page once this is done. Now there's a couple of routes we could go down. Of course we could look at manually closing this, but there's a lot to look into that might be a problem here. For example, if we're scrolled all the way down the page and we reply to something, if we were to just add it to the page manually, you know when we submit a post and we just add it to the top, we add it right here. If we did that when we were down here, it would look like there's no visual indication to the user that something's been posted. So just a full refresh is a very simple solution, and it also means we don't have to do any crazy dynamic adding of the content either. So in common.js, we're going to go and find here we go, this submit reply button event, and at the moment, once we're done, we are creating the post HTML and appending it to the container. But what we're going to do is, if it was a reply, we don't want to do that. We just want to reload the page. If it wasn't a reply and it was just a normal post, we will go ahead and do that. So there's a very simple way for us to be able to tell. We can just check the reply data. So we can say if post data dot reply to. It means it was a reply, because this reply to field wouldn't be there if it wasn't a reply. And then we'll just say location dot reload. Alright, if I can type today. Location dot reload, and that will reload the page. And then we'll just put that other part in an else block. So this part right here, just move that into the else block, and we should be good to go then. So there, and I'll tab this across and give it a save. So let's try this out. Once I reply to somebody, it should refresh the page. So I'll say not now. Okay, let's see. Alright, it replied. It sent a reply and then refreshed the page. But if I do a normal post, normal post, it should not refresh the page. It just adds it there, which it does. Great. So that takes care of the closing the pop-up box once we've replied.